Presenting another innovation from Sanjamar. People will go through all kinds of motions to avoid touching a paper towel dispenser. We're all more aware how germs and viruses get transmitted. And where proper hygiene is especially critical, touchless dispensers provide the peace of mind people are looking for. You may not realize it, but purchasing expensive proprietary paper can lead to less value for your company and more waste for the environment. The Smart Essence, Sanjamar's newest completely redesigned electronic touchless dispenser, delivers the perfect solution. The Smart Essence system from Sanjamar, the leader in smart, safe, and sanitary solutions, is the cornerstone of touchless hand hygiene. The Smart Essence system is a simple-to-use dispenser with multiple options for paper length and delay. The Smart Essence also provides reliable and quick paper delivery in a sensor or towel-out mode, while sustaining industry-leading battery life. It's up to 25% smaller than other leading electronic dispensers, providing the perfect compact and sanitary yet full-powered solution for your business. The Smart Essence is constructed of durable, sleek, impact-resistant plastic, and it's available in 2 designs and colors. The new Smart Essence gives you industry-leading quality and performance with an upscale, more compact design, providing a lower-cost option for your business. And with universal paper options, you can look out for your budget and the environment without losing on quality, design, or reliability. For smart, safe, and sanitary touchless solutions, choose the new Smart Essence system from Sanjamar. For more information on this and other smart dispensing products, visit sanjamar.com.